Okay, over here is one of the very famous hybrid colocasia. This one is called the Colocasia Physlock. I believe that there's some similar ones. The one is from America and the other one is from Indonesia. That's the Redemption, and the other one is the Thunderstorm. This one in Thailand is called the Physlock. Currently the price is at 1.5 million for the baby that are ready to be sold, and the mother plant is set at 20 million baht. So yeah, the most expensive colocasia in Thailand is this one, the Colocasia Physlock. This is the mature leaf. Gorgeous one. Very beautiful. And it has, those are the babies. There it is. I believe that all these babies they're all booked. Anybody who wants it at the moment have to wait. There are queues. Look at that. Nice. That's it. Just a show off. I don't have the money to buy it, but I'm here today to buy the seeds of the Physlock. Okay. Bye-bye.